Hello friends, today I will explain you how to reduce humming sound or buzzing sound from your recorded video. So for this, firstly you have to check your microphone. So just go here and right click, so you will see recording devices, and in recording devices it will show you microphone. So on microphone, right again you right click and select properties, then just go down in these levels. So here is a microphone voice as well as this Microsoft microphone boost. So you can see here it is right now 00. So also you can hear when I will increase this, it will increase the humming sound or that buzzing sound, which is unnecessary, right? You can see, and yes, here you can set it to 10 dB. So this is a least minimum value you can set here. Or if you want, will you, like, if you want it 0, then you can do it 0, but it will also reduce your microphone sound. So you will directly just do it 0 and press OK, and it's OK. So by this way you can reduce the humming sound in your video. So thank you guys, keep liking and subscribing our channel.